Hello techies and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how do we install PnP PowerShell. So let's get started. To install the PnP PowerShell, let's first fire up PowerShell 7.4. Now I would recommend you to install PowerShell 7.2 or higher because to work with the PnP PowerShell, that is the requirement. So let's go ahead and open up PowerShell 7. Alright, so we have PowerShell 7 open. Let's first check, do we already have PnP PowerShell installed or not? So to do that, you will say get install module name PnP.PowerShell. Alright, let's see. And we rightly see that I do not have PnP PowerShell installed. Alright, so let's go ahead and install the module PnP.PowerShell. I'm going to use force, and what this will do is this will go ahead and start downloading the PnP PowerShell module. As you can see, it has started downloading and it has also started installing. So let's wait for the further prompt. And it has now installed the module. All right, how do we validate that? Let's go ahead and let's use get command module PnP.PowerShell. Now what this will do is this will get us all the commands from the PnP PowerShell module. Let's hit enter, and as you can see, we have got all the commands in return. So what that means is we are good to go working with PnP PowerShell with version 2.4.0. Let's also validate one more time. Get installed module name PnP.PowerShell. And now you will see we have PnP.PowerShell as a version 2.4.0. Okay, so I hope this simple example helped you to understand how do we install the PnP PowerShell. In the next video, we will learn how do we register the PnP PowerShell, and then how do we actually connect to SharePoint Online using PnP PowerShell. I thank you for watching the video.